There are two options for adding a power unit to the downtown streetcar train number 60,423. This train itself has 3 carriages. The first solution is to add power to the middle carriage through the power functions modification of ZENE bricks. At this time, the battery needs to be placed in this carriage. But since this carriage is transparent, it may not be so beautiful to place the battery. This is the first solution. The second solution is to add an extra carriage. The train motor of ZENE bricks is used at the back, and the battery can be well hidden inside. At this time, we only need to connect this car to the other parts of the train in series, usually placed behind the locomotive. Then you can connect all the carriages together, and then put it on the track to run. The modification plan also provides a track option. You can choose whether to use and modify the power group below. Of course, if you don't choose to add additional carriages, which is the first solution I mentioned earlier, you can install the battery. Install the battery to this carriage and the power group below. It can also run. At this time, we can try it. You can see this is the power connection of the train motor. The power connection line has been configured. Then I will modify the battery to this carriage. After installation, just put it in directly. Then cover it. At this time, you can see that the battery is inside this carriage. If you are worried that this battery affect the beauty of this carriage, then you can consider whether to use it. At this time, I continue to run. The third-class carriage's tail. It runs perfectly. Okay, we offer 2 options, as well as additional track options for you to choose from. Thanks for watching.